Hello, this is Kevin Taylor of Acuspa. This video sequence, KISS, Keep It Super Simple, is intended to give you medical scenarios in an easy to understand format. Enjoy. This one's another self-help one that you can do at home. This one's for neck and shoulders also. It's based on a principle of flex and stretch. Okay? If you were to have a real injury, we could do this in the clinic, but also some of this you can do at home. So here it goes like this. You're going to press, you're going to work this side. You're going to press into your arm like 6 seconds, 8 seconds, and then stretch that same side. Now ultimately you can pick an angle here, flex and stretch, and then bring it a little more upright, flex and stretch, and then a little more angle here, flex and stretch, and each of them help to release the muscle but also help release the fascia wrapped around it. You can do turning muscles, so you can turn into your hand and stretch this way. And the concept here is your muscles have a lot of slip here, a lot of range of motion, and when you get a tight muscle, it doesn't move very well. There's a lot of friction, a lot of heat. By flexing, stretching, flexing, stretching, flexing, and stretching, you want to try and get back to this. And it only takes a couple minutes a day. You wake up with a stiff neck from a pillow or air conditioning, something like that. And that's it. So enjoy.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more health and fitness tips. If you live in the area and would like some help with your health, please give us a call. If you're not and would still like some help, we are set up to see clients remotely with various options. Thank you from the Acuspa staff.